I'm going to cook these duck breasts and I've put them into a cold pan. Now the interesting thing here is this is our new 11-inch pan. The 10-inch was a bit small, the 12-inch was too big. This is the perfect size for these 2 duck breasts. As you can see, I've used our steak press to hold these down to make sure we've got crispy skin. I'm just going to turn them over. I'm going to throw some sage into the pan, just for a bit of flavour. Turn that down a little bit and just let those carry on cooking. Okay, so the duck breast is now cooked. I'm going to pop it onto this plate. I'm going to leave it to rest, so I'm just going to cover it with a bit of foil. Right, now we're going to make a sauce to go with those duck breasts. So a bit of butter going into the pan. Followed by some chopped plums. I'm going to stew those down. And I've got some intriguing flavours to go in here. So some of you are going to like these, some of you might think I've gone mad, but let's just see how it all turns out. The first thing I'm going to put in is a teaspoon of licorice powder. I think that falls into the category of Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. We all love it. And a quick splash of this. This is our friends at Paso Primero Vermut. So put a nice glug of that in. And then we're just going to let that simmer away until those plums are nice and soft. So well, those plums were quite sharp, so I'm just going to put some honey in there. Stir that in. Beautiful glossy sauce there we've got now. Plum sauce. And duck breast. There we go.
Did somebody mention duck?